Namaskar students. Today we will note down all the answers of chapter 3 last question number 6 short answer type questions. Question number A. Question number 6A is what is the purpose of copy command? What is the purpose of copy? What is the purpose of copy command? So the answer is copy command is used to make a duplicate of a selected thing. Number B is what is the use of magnifier? What is the use of magnifier tool? Answer: magnifier tool is used to zoom in or zoom out of a selected picture PICTURE. Now number C is by which tool color is filled in the drawing? By which tool color is filled in the drawing? By which tool color is filled in the drawing? Okay, we have to write the name of the tool. The tool name is fill with color tool. Fill with color tool is used to fill color in the drawing. DRAWING. Question number 8. What is the purpose of copy command? Copy command is used to make a duplicate of a selected thing. Number B. What is the use of magnifier tool? Magnifier tool is used to zoom in or zoom out of a picture. Number C. By which tool color is filled in the drawing? Fill with color tool is used to fill color in the drawing. Now we will go to number D. What does status bar display? Question number D. What does status bar display? What does status bar display? Okay, answer is status bar displays the current position of the cursor. Status bar displays the current position of the cursor. Okay, number E. Okay, number E is for which purpose undo command is used. For which purpose undo command is used. For which purpose undo command is used? Answer UNDO, undo command is used to remove our last action. Undo command is used to remove our last action. Okay, question number 8. Question number 8. Okay, for question number E is for which purpose undo command is used, and question number F is what is the use of undo command. You can see both questions are same. Both the answer of both questions are same. For which purpose, that means the reason we use undo command, both are same. So we are going to question number G. We are going to question number G. Question number G. Which menu is used for inverting color? Which menu is used for inverting color? Which menu is used for inverting color? Okay. Look at the question. It is saying which menu is used for inverting color. In paint window, when you start a paint window, we can see in the upper portion under the title bar that there is written some menu names like file, edit, format and many other things. Those are the menu. We can see various types of options under those menus. Like under file, we can see open, save with or save as, print, etc. We can also see many other options under other menus. Okay, now the question is asking which menu is used for inverting color. It does not asking the name of the option, it is asking the name of the menu. Okay, now what is the name of the menu? Image menu. We can see image menu. Image menu is used for inverting color. Image menu is used for inverting color. Okay, now our next question is question number 7. Question number 7 is tick mark the correct option. Tick mark the correct option. Question number A. Question number A is cut command is used to cut command is used to. There are three options. Option 1 remove, option 2 copy, and option 3 is save. The correct option is remove. Cut command is used to option 1 remove. Okay. Now question number B. Question number B is the file is saved. The file is saved temporarily in the file is saved temporarily in. The file is saved temporarily in. Option 1 is box, option 2 is clipboard, and option 3 is none of these. The right option is option 2 clipboard. Option 2 clipboard. Now question number C. We are going to question number C, the last question. Question number C is select tool is used for select tool is used for select tool is used for option 1 is save, option 2 is cut, and option 3 is select the rectangle. Actually, if we see the three options, save is definitely a wrong option. Now we see the other two options. Option 2 is cut and option 3 is select the rectangle. Now cut option is true, but we use select tool for also to copy. So cut option is not actually the correct. Now see the option 3, select the rectangle. Now select tool, if we see the use of select tool, we can see that we use the select tool for select a part of a picture or a picture by a rectangle shaped selection. But the option 3 is saying select the rectangle, not rectangle shaped. Select with rectangle shaped like that, but it is saying select the rectangle. So we have to choose the cut option. Select tool is used for option 2 cut. Okay, this is all for CW and HW for all standard for students. Namaskar all students.